Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find privacy protection, and that was a misclick. Privacy protection, as I said. Now let's enter special permissions, and here we have to find the option install unknown apps. Let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So if you'd like to allow, for example, maybe Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher here. And as you can see here, we've got the warning because you have to remember that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and your device, your whole device, at risk. So remember about that. If you're ready, just tick this option, this statement, and tap on OK. And as you can see, this option is active, and after getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps which will be on this list, and you can turn off all previously granted permissions. Just tap on it, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.